Rainy day Saturday, guys. Time to shine and grind. Let's get out of here, guys. Get out of bed. If you're not up right now, telling you guys, this is an early morning grind kind of job. If you're not up already, it's like an everyday thing with us guys, huh? Me having to tell you guys to get your ass up and get to work. Just kidding, guys. Today's Saturday, guys. Today's, I call it game day because it's always the busiest day of the week. Although it's raining here in sunny Southern California, it doesn't really matter. It's going to be a busy day because tomorrow is Mama's Day. And guess what, guys? When it's Mama's Day, everybody wants to get a haircut because everybody wants to look good for their mamas. So, let's get to work. I headed to the shop right now. It's going to be 5 of us working today. I expect it to be extremely busy. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. Tomorrow I actually work. Like I said before, guys, I don't close on holidays. Holidays are for people to have the day off, so therefore they're gonna come get haircuts. It's my policy. I open on all holidays. So tomorrow is Mother's Day, and I will be there from 8 to 12 o'clock. Only 4 hours, guys, but in those 4 hours, you know, you satisfy a lot of people and keep a lot of people happy because there's a lot of people that can't make it until that day. So I'm headed to the shop, get started on this day, and we'll stay up to date, guys. Everybody have a good day. Grind on. Let's make some money. Alright, guys, just got here to the shop right now. Some of the guys already beat me here, so I'm about to walk in. I got 3 appointments for this morning. The rest of everybody else is just walk-ins. But I'm gonna walk in right now with my camera so I can show you guys what it looks like on Saturday, okay? It's a rainy Saturday too. Check it out, guys. It's ugly out here today. Barbershop's already packed.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Regrets, girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this.
Crazy busy day today, guys. Crazy busy. Short-handed again. Another barber called in, so I'm really short-handed. There's only 4 of us working today. I'm kind of snuck away right now because I had a chance. There's no customer for me right now, so I snuck away to go to the bank, get some lunch, come back and finish this day off hard. But it's only what is it right now? 11:30, I think. Yeah, 11:30, and shoot, I already got probably, I'm at least 12, 13 cuts in, dude. So it's gonna be a good day. Just keep grinding, guys. Keep grinding. This is what it's like on days like this. We gotta just keep moving forward and doing what we do. All right, guys. I'll be back with you guys in a while. Well, guys, that's it for today. Shop's closed. It's day before Mother's Day, so tomorrow is Mother's Day. Tomorrow I will be here again, guys. Guys, you know what? I can't stress the importance of working these holidays. I mean, like, if you guys want to be making money and be active and stay active with your customers, I mean, you got to be here for your customers, especially on holidays. They got, you know, taking these days off on these days is just no good. Keep that in mind. I'm going to be here tomorrow again. I will be vlogging tomorrow because, first of all, it's Mother's Day, so I want to do a Mother's Day vlog. And I'll be working. Plus, I'm going to show you guys what I do at the house for my Mother's Day barbecue. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be making. Good food. So, with that being said, that's it for today. I'll see you guys mañana.